Hi guys, today we are going to talk about the difference between interesting and interested. Well, basically both of them are adjectives. You need to keep in mind this thing that both of them are adjectives, but there are slight differences. The word interesting describes a situation, a thing, a person that causes the feeling. Simply it means that it shows that how things be the cause of our feeling. For example, the book is very interesting. I can't stop reading it. Here, the word interesting is used for the book and it causes a feeling of interest. So that is why I can't stop reading it. Why? Because it is a thing which is the source of my feeling of interest. So that's why we have used the word interesting. Right? Okay, and if you say this book is very interested, I can't stop reading it. So it would be incorrect. Why? Because simply when something becomes the cause of your interest, so then we use the adjective interesting and we do not use the adjective interested. Right? Okay. On the other hand, the adjective interested is used when it describes a person's feelings. Simply you can say that the word interested is used when you want to describe a person's feelings, that how he feels about something, right? For example, if we say that we are interested in learning to paint, here it describes our feeling, that how we feel about painting. So that is why the adjective interested is used. But if you say we are interested in learning to paint, this sentence will be definitely incorrect. Why? Because here we are not the cause of interest, but our feelings are described, that how we feel about the paint, right? So simply you can say that the conclusion is this one, that interested will be used in a situation when we talk about a person's feeling, and interesting will be used in a situation when we talk about a thing, a person or place that can be the cause of our interest, right? So in that time we will use interesting. Well, if you have enjoyed this lecture, please do not forget like and subscription to my channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.